Hello learners, I am Sunil Gupta and I am your instructor for this course, the Ethical Hacking Bootcamp from Beginner to Advanced 2017, the latest edition. This course is for beginner as well as the advanced level of ethical hacker and pen tester. Here you can see you can learn ethical hacking, penetration testing, Wi-Fi hacking, Kali Linux, website hacking, and some more practicals regarding ethical hacking. As you can see, this course has been designed by me and Mr. Joydeep Ghosh, and this course length is 12 hours on demand video, and in this course you will also get the free PDFs in this module. So we are also giving you the free PDFs in the modules as well as 12 hours of practical as well as theoretical videos inside it. We have just crossed our 12,000 students in our course, and it's been a month for us to achieve this goal, and students are really liking and appreciating our course. This course will teach you all about ethical hacking concepts, terminologies, practicals, and what is important for you to get a job in cybersecurity industry. After completing this course, you will get a certification. When you complete all the modules, then this line will be green and you have to click on the trophy button to get your certification in ethical hacking. So this is all about our ethical hacking course. The course is designed for professional ethical hackers, and in this course you will get help from my side. If you have any problems, if you have any doubts, you can contact me, you can message me, and I will send the revert as soon as possible. Don't wait for anything, just enroll in this course and learn ethical hacking.